is good because with the help of lab we can learn so many things around us, even if in our home or school, anything. If anything damage in school, we can fix. And as you guys are teaching for us, as we know that it is very useful and we can make various activities with the lab. It is helping in study because teachers are coming, they will explain, they will show diagram and all, it's fine. But with the lab, we will only do the experiment and we will get to know, yes, we have done this. By seeing that name, with seeing that name and feature, how we done, it is very useful for us. And easily we can remember, yeah, we done that. Then we can study at chapters. Lab is very fun for me by doing by attaching wire and by making some new things. I like that so much by making new things and all. And I like to teach others also. If I learn that lab, it will help me and others also. I can teach others by, like example, the teacher are teaching in the class about some topic like life, and some students are not able to understand. So after school I can explain them by taking a material here. I can explain them how this is good, how it works. My favorite experiment is study plan. I can show the. This is called study lab. What I have done is, I will tell you, I have taken wires, battery, 9-volt battery, pipe, and one bulb, LED bulb I have taken, sun board box I have taken. Sir have taught us to how to join the box and all, how to join the wire and all. I have done it all. Sir helped me to fixing the line to join the wire. I have made this plan for my study, and it is used to me only. If in my home current bed, then I can, with the help of study lab, I can study or else I can do anything. It is upon my wish.